crescent moon appears, a sacred time is here. Fajr call echoes, quieting all my fears. Oh, Ramadan is here, a time for peace and prayer.
The crescent moon begins to gleam, a month of mercy, a blessed dream. With fasting hearts and spirits bright, we fill our days and endless nights. Oh Ramadan, your light we see, a time for peace and unity, a time to pray and help the poor. Ramadan! Blessings are at our door. Ramadan, your light we see, a month of peace and unity,